Hello everyone. Welcome to our beautiful island, Castaway Key. In just a few short minutes, we'll be arriving at Scuttle's Cove Tram stop. You should disembark here for Scuttle School Children Program Area, Marshall Point Famous Whale Skeleton Day, Castaway Race Stingray Adventure, watercraft rentals, gills, fins and boats, snorkel rental, and she sells seashells and everything else for shopping. As a reminder, lunch is served between 11:30 a.m. and 2 p.m. at two locations, Cookies Barbecue and Cookies Too. Please remember to drink lots of water and use your sunscreen. Now please remain seated until the tram has come to a complete stop. Again, welcome to Disney's Castaway Key. Have a great day, and remember to listen for the ship's whistle. It will signal the final tram. See you later, and have fun. Station for our city.
Please stay seated until the tram has come to a full and complete stop. Gather all your belongings and take small children by the hand. Lower your head and watch your step as you disembark. Thank you and have a magical day.